A lot of you have our Geologist squeeze boxes in your classroom, and we're making another batch, and I want to show you just how much of this is custom made right here. And today we're making these little thumb nuts that you use to take the front panel on and off, and we're going to make about 600 of them. So the first thing we need to do is find some material and cut it to length so we can put it inside the lathe. So I'm here in the saw area. Our lathe takes a maximum 4-foot bar length, and I've got 12-foot bars, so I'm going to cut them down. We'll get a little over 100 thumb nuts out of each 4-foot bar. So we're going to go ahead and cut a little bit more than we need so we can make a little bit of extra stock. Now the next step is to set the lathe up with all the tools that it needs. And I actually already did that before I started filming, so you don't get to see it this time, but we have lots of other videos showing that. It took me about 90 minutes to get all the tooling configured for this job. Now we're gonna set the material length. This is a stick out of 1.625 inches. So we'll set that, and then we're gonna do the first run of the program. The first program run, I'm gonna be watching very carefully, adjusting the rapids and making sure that everything's set up, all the tools are touched off properly before we just let the machine go. Now that we got our first part, we need to measure it and make sure it matches the drawing, make sure that it's within tolerance and that we can make a bunch more without just making a lot of scrap. So now that we know that we're making a good part, we're going to let the automation go. It's going to pull the bar out and make a part, cut it off, pull the bar out, make a part, cut it off. After it does about 90, I'll have to go digging around in there to pull them all out of the chip bin, but they don't make a lot of chips, so there's not gonna be that much to dig through. So I'm gonna put the GoPro in so you can see what it looks like from the lathe's point of view. All right, so the machine's running. It takes about 2 minutes and 15 seconds to make one of those little thumb nuts. Each squeeze box takes 6 of the thumb nuts. So that's about a little over 12 minutes for all the parts that are needed for one squeeze box. So you see the squeeze boxes really do take us quite a while to make because we make every single piece custom because we've discovered what it takes to make a reliable, durable product for your classroom. And there's a lot that goes into it, but we do it all so that you have the best products that you can possibly have.